Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. It has been 2 weeks since the meat birds arrived. So far, they have eaten 25 pounds of feed. The more they eat, the more they poop, the more fertilizer we have for our gardens. Here is a comparison of the meat birds when they were approximately 3 days old and 1 week old. Here is a comparison of the chicks when they are 1 and 2 weeks old. You can see that the chicks are growing at such a pace that the down on their backs cannot quite keep up with the growth. However, the down around their head and neck is quite full. My layers do not experience this. Their down is uniform while they are young and are later covered uniformly with feathers. The chicks are being moved to the mobile tractors today. These mobile tractors were built for last year's meat birds, using leftover parts from previous projects on the homestead. This pin on wheels that I built a few years ago has really come in handy. It allows me to isolate broody or injured hens. I use it for chicks hatched from the incubator. I will do a how-to video on the do-it-yourself incubator at some point. And now here I use the mobile pin to transport chicks to the back of the property to transfer them to the mobile tractor. The chicks are already enjoying the grass. They have more room to hop, run, spread their wings. Some of them are already developing scratching habits, looking for food. The birds will remain in these mobile tractors for the next 6 weeks. It's almost hard to believe, but they will be fully grown in that time. I will be satisfied if we can get them up to 6 pounds on average.